Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing our old crusty dome light with a fresh LED one from our friends at Vintage LEDs. We're going to be doing that in our 1972 F250 crew cab, which is LVZ Duramax powered, sitting on a 2008 Super Duty chassis with our lifted air suspension system. We're going to be getting rid of this old crappy light with a nice fresh LED board from our friends at Vintage LEDs. We went ahead and got a fresh lens from Autocrafters, so be sure to check them out as well. This one's going to be short and sweet, so let's get to it. All right, this one's pretty simple. Just unscrew these two screws that are on each side. Get to the lens. Yeah, see this is all old and crusty. We're gonna replace it nice and fresh. So we obviously knew that our dome light has been working, so we didn't change out the housing at all. But if it isn't working, then make sure to get yourself a nice fresh housing so you have a good seal. Almost forgot dielectric grease. I'll be right back. And we're back. Don't forget some dielectric grease to ensure a nice proper connection. Grab our nice new lens. All right, that looks nice and fresh. Let's test it out. Ooh, damn, that's pretty bright. Oh, I gotta lie. It looks really good though. Man, that is vibrant. I'll definitely be able to see in here. Ooh, where's my eyes? All right, well, that about wraps it up. Be sure to check out Vintage LEDs for their great products. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.